Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening System Settings. This is where macOS controls menu visibility. Once inside, navigate to Appearance to verify whether Auto Hide is active, and then go to Desktop and Dock to access the specific menu bar toggle. You do this now because the hide behavior is controlled system-wide, not per app. Make sure to keep an eye on the right-hand panes. Options change by Mac OS version, so you can locate the Auto Hide menu bar switch without delay. Once done, locate the Automatically Hide and show the menu bar control and turn it off. Unchecking it forces the menu bar to remain visible. You may need to toggle it off in both Desktop and Dock and Appearance sections, depending on Mac OS version. This explains why some users miss it. If the menu still hides, move the pointer to the top of the screen to test the state, and then repeat the toggle to ensure the system registers the change. To complete the process, confirm the menu bar stays visible across apps. If it does not, restart Finder or sign out and back in to apply the setting. You should also check for third-party utilities, Bartender or similar, that can override system settings. If the problem persists, reset NVRAM or boot into safe mode to rule out extensions. These steps help because they clear cached UI state and disable interfering agents. One key tip: verify third-party overrides before deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.